everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as mentioned earlier, I wanted to do a little project from using some of the items in my Crafty Bonbons box. So if you can remember, oh, this is not from the Crafty Bonbons, this is from a chocolate box of chocolate. This was from, it wasn't from the bumper box, but it was the Christmas box the year before. So I've got that. I have one of these again somewhere and I can't really find it, which is annoying me. And this was from last year's Crafty Bonbons box. So I wondered whether I can use either the leaves and this, or I can just use this, because it's a lot more, and maybe creating a ribbon. So this is how it's gonna, I'm making a plaque. This plaque, I can't remember where I bought it or how I acquired it. No, I know how I acquired it. I was trolling to, I was on Facebook, like, the sales thing, and a lady was selling them because she stopped crafting. So I have bought it off her. And at first I didn't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm glad I've got it, because this is my second plaque that I've created since I've bought it. So I think if I glue it like that, that would be good. Good. I might, she says, I might just right, I think that should be okay if I put that there, because I thought maybe there, I don't know, but it will cover stuff if we're not careful. So I might put it there. Okay, so that's my cluster. So with this one, I'm gonna use a stencil. It's Christmas, so I think I am going to see how this fits in there. See, do I want Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas? I think I want Merry Christmas. So if I start over here, I'm gonna work over towards here so I'm gonna outline. Double check. Amazing. That's it. Okay, I've got my Posca pens here. And before we get all too excited about trying out and stuff, maybe we should test it if the colors are right. So I've got this. We need to prep this because this is a brand new Posca paint. Aha. Oh, that is glittery. That is nice. Okay, I'll use that, not this one. So I'm gonna trace this one. Black pen just to make the letters stand out. Out. I think when they painted it. Okay. Now I'm gonna glue this chipboard. triple knot just to make the knot very big and it doesn't go through, to make sure, just to make sure it doesn't go through that hole. So triple or 4 knots would be good. Okay, lovely. And then I probably and I'm gonna put that here. Cut this tail's a little bit shorter. And then to make sure that they don't fray, use a clear nail varnish. Big blob of glue here. And touch my wood. So there we are, my Christmas decorations. I don't know whether to put like a border full stitching in it or just keep it that way, but do I want that? Oh Lord, sorry about that. Maybe just do your own little here we go. So that is what I've done. This is now my decoration for year 2020. And I've used some of the things in my Crafty Bonbons box. And yeah, that was just easy peasy DIY for Christmas decoration. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you like it, what I've made, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.